Now the next part is the formation and structure of typical spinal nerve. You know, the nerves arises from the spinal cord are called as the spinal nerve. We have already studied that extramorphology as well as the histology, that means transverse section of the spinal cord. And in this transverse section of the spinal cord, you know, the centrally placed gray matter projects in the form of horns, respective horns, paired dorsal horn, paired ventral horns and paired lateral horns, out of which these dorsal horns comes out and continue as a respective roots of this spinal nerve. So ultimately, as there are the paired horns, paired roots, so ultimately always paired spinal nerves on either side. How many pairs? 31 pairs. 8 pairs in a cervical region, cervical spinal nerve. 12 pairs in a thoracic region, thoracic spinal nerves. 5 pairs in a lumbar region, lumbar spinal nerves. 5 pairs in a sacral region, sacral spinal nerves, and 1 pair in a coccygeal region, coccygeal spinal nerve. So here, how such typical spinal nerve is formed. Now see here, the dorsal horn is the dorsal horn of the gray matter. Dorsal horn of the gray matter comes out as a dorsal root, while the ventral horn of the gray matter comes out as a ventral root. And these roots comes out on either side, out of which that dorsal root shows the small swelling in the middle called as the dorsal root ganglion. And such dorsal root having the sensory nerve fibers and carries the sensory impulses through this dorsal root in towards the spinal cord or inside that spinal cord, while the ventral horn carries the motor impulses, means having the motor nerve fibers. So sensory nerve fibers are located in a dorsal root, while the motor nerve fibers are located in a ventral root, and both these roots get united in the neural canal. न्यूरल कैनल में ही, वर्टिब्रल कॉलम के न्यूरल कैनल में ही दोनों रूट्स यूनाइट हो गए, and the formation of a such nerve, now it is called as the spinal nerve. So spinal nerve having the both sensory as well as the motor nerve fibers, sensory as well as motor nerve fibers, and such to the spinal nerve which is formed after the joining of that sensory dorsal root and the motor ventral root. So having both type of the nerve fibers, that means both sensory as well as motor nerve fiber. So the nature of the spinal nerve is always mixed, may be asked as a give reason in exam. Why these spinal nerves are always mixed in nature? तो बताना है कि हर एक spinal nerve बनती है after the joining of that sensory dorsal root and the motor ventral root. So having both type of the nerve fibers, so called as the mixed type of the nerve. So spinal nerves are always mixed type on either side, and such mixed spinal nerve comes out, बाहर निकल आती है through the small gap between the adjacent vertebrae. Small gap between the adjacent vertebrae, दो adjacent vertebrae के बीच में vertebral column के जो 33 ring like bones है जिनको हम बोलते हैं vertebrae, उनके in between हरदम small space होती है, gap होगी, and that gap is called as the intervertebral foramen. उस gap को हम बोलेंगे intervertebral foramen. Inter means in between the vertebrae, foramen means gap or the aperture, and through this intervertebral foramen the entire spinal nerve which is mixed in nature comes out, बाहर निकल आती है, and immediately it get divided into 3 branches. One is a dorsal branch, another is a ventral branch, and third is a downward branch. One is a dorsal branch, पीछे जाने वाली ventral branch, and another is a downward branch, goes deep inside the body. So in this way there are the 3 branches, and you know the branching is called as a ramification. Ramification means branching. So these branches are also called as the rami, out of which a dorsal branch is called as the ramus dorsal, dorsal branch on either side, right and the left side, called as the ramus dorsalis. So ultimately already spinal cord located towards the dorsal side, and therefore the dorsal branch is too much short, and the shortest dorsal branch, which is called as the ramus dorsalis, supplied or innervates the skin and muscles of the dorsal side of the body. Skin and muscle of the dorsal side, shortest branch. Ventral branch comes anteriorly or towards the ventral side of the body. So it is ultimately longest branch comparatively, क्योंकि उसको आगे आना है, ventral side में आना है, lateral and the ventral side. So that ramus ventralis now gets supplied to the lateral and the ventral side, particularly skin and the muscles of the lateral and the ventral side of the body. So shortest branch is a ramus dorsalis, longest is a ramus ventralis, and then the downward branch जो नीचे जाएंगी deep inside and supplied to the visceral body organs. And you know the activities of the visceral body organs are controlled by means of a specialized nervous system, okay, which is called as the autonomous nervous system. Again, which get divided into two subtypes, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic is stimulatory, while the parasympathetic is inhibitory. Now this third branch, that is get communicate with the sympathetic nervous system by forming the ganglion, जहां पर फिर से sympathetic neurons के bunch हो गए और वहां पर उनके fibers communicate करेंगे, forming the ganglion, and it is called as sympathetic ganglion. So third branch, which is deep inside, goes deep again, downward branch, and that downward branch get communicate with the sympathetic nervous system by forming the sympathetic ganglion. So called as the ramus communicans get communicate with the sympathetic nervous system by forming the sympathetic ganglion. So called as the ramus communicans. So in this way, respective roots of the gray matter, nothing but the dorsal root and the ventral root, बाहर निकल आते हैं स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के on either side, right and left side. Then dorsal root के मिडल में छोटा सा स्वेलिंग है, उसको बोलते हैं डॉर्सल रूट गैंग्लियन. डॉर्सल रूट के थ्रू सेंसरी नर्व फाइबर एंट्री करेंगे, मींस कंडक्ट दी सेंसरी इंपल्सेस. वेंट्रल रूट बनाया है मोटार नर्व फाइबर्स ने, कैरीज मोटार नेचर, एंड बोथ दीज रूट्स अल्टीमेटली यूनाइट इन द न्यूरल कैनल में ही, एंड देयर बोथ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ए नर्व. नाउ सच स्पाइनल नर्व, पेयर्ड स्पाइनल नर्व, बोथ राइट एंड लेफ्ट साइड, such spinal nerve having both type of the nerve fiber, sensory as well as the motor, so its nature is always mixed. And then it's divided into three branches. Shortest branch, ramus dorsalis, going towards the dorsal side, skin and muscles. Ramus ventralis supplied to the lateral and the ventral side, right and the left side, lateral and ventral side, so it's the longest branch. And third, the downward branch goes deep inside and get communicate with the sympathetic nervous system of autonomous nervous system and forming that sympathetic ganglion, so called as the ramus communicans. In this way, each and every spinal nerve is always mixed in nature, and in this way such paired spinal nerves are formed as an extension of the gray matter. Okay.